Hello, I'm Matujama and you're watching the Eye, Hornbill TV's English News Bulletin. The Narcotics Control Bureau has arrested Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan on Sunday, October 3rd. This development came after raids were conducted by NCB officials on a cruise ship off the Mumbai coast, where multiple people were detained for questioning after illegal drugs were recovered at a party. The lawyer further requested for one-day custody. However, the court granted one-day custody to the NCB. For more details, let's talk to Bollywood artist Imran Hasni. Hi, sir.
Hello.
Yeah. So, sir, could you please give us more information? What is the latest updates? Like, if you have any updates, could you please give us some updates on this, sir?
No, I don't have any kind of updates. That is the job of police and journalists. But one thing I wanted to mention here, there are 8 other people are also arrested by the police. And the media is using only one name, Aryan, son of Shah Rukh Khan, Aryan, son of Shah Rukh Khan. Why? What are the names of other 8 persons who are arrested? Why nobody is taking those names? Why a single person's name has been highlighted?
Yes.
That is not right. This is just to make news more spicy or more other type of news. That's why you are ignoring the other 8 people. And from where the drugs has been arrived, where is the chain? It's the person you have the person arrested is just a customer. He's a consumption level. But who are the people who are supplying this? Nobody is taking their names, from where they come, from where they arrive. What is the strategy? Who is going to arrest them? Nothing. Only one name, just because of Shah Rukh Khan.
So you're saying, sir, you're saying that when we are focusing on the name itself, the issue itself is being ignored.
Of course, yes.
Okay, sir. So do you think consumption of drugs is a bailable offense? Is it a bailable offense?
Yes, of course, it's a crime. Punish the person according to the crime. But why ignoring the other major aspects of it? From where it is coming? From where it is coming in India? Where it is, see, this is not a small thing. It comes to India, then it is supplied to other small cities. Then there are peddlers, there are kingpins, there are other people behind it. But only one name has been taken by the media.
So we have to focus more on the root cause more than what is happening. Is that what you're saying?
That's what I meant.
Okay, yes. So also the lawyer who is in charge, who is looking after this case, has mentioned that Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan was, he might have consumed drugs, but he was not engaged in selling of drugs. So what do you have to say about that also, sir?
See, this is very wrong. It sends a wrong message when people of high profile arrested and their names has been highlighted. But few months back, there was another person who was arrested by the same kind of department, who happened to be a known person to Arjun Rampal. Now, entire media is saying Arjun Rampal's friend was arrested. Arjun Rampal's friend was arrested. What is the definition of a friend? Maybe he's just a known person, he may be an acquaintance or whatever. But you're using the name of Arjun Rampal in this. He has nothing to do with this man or with this kind of drug consumption. So especially my humble request is to highlight the cause and not the person, just because of his status.
So also when it comes to drug abuse and using of drugs, this is not the first time the NCB has raided people. We have also seen the recent case of Sushant Singh Rajput and also Rhea Chakrabarti. So do you think the influence of drugs and all, is it is it just, are they all connected, sir?
See, whenever a person is arrested and the name highlights, it is the person who consume it. But that's why I'm saying again and again, the consumer is the smallest fish. The suppliers are the biggest culprit. No.
Yes, sir.
What happened to the suppliers? When that person was arrested 3 months back, 4 or 5 persons were arrested. There was somebody from film industry was also arrested because of consumption, not supplier. What happened about the supplier? Has somebody tried the chain? Can somebody follow the back chain from where it arrived? Nothing. There was nothing about it in the news. Only who consumed it. Now this Shah Rukh Khan's son has consumed. He is consumed, and that's the end of it. And the news will disappear then after that. Nobody will bother from where it arrives, where it comes, what is the supply chain, who are the big the big criminals behind this. Nobody worry about that.
So also, like you have mentioned, and also like I've mentioned earlier, this is not the first time that situations like this have occurred, or So why is this a shocker for, shocking for everybody to know about this, sir? Why do you think so?
It's not shocking at all. See, this is being highlighted. This is being spread in such a way to make a shock. Oh my God, Shah Rukh Khan's son is the consumer. This is not a big thing. The big thing is who brought it in India, from where it arrived, how it reaches to a kid, to a young person. This is important. This is not important who is consuming it. The main thing is from where it is coming and how it's coming so easily to a person like Shah Rukh Khan's son. If you are seeing, this is just a kid. How he is getting hold of it? Who are the people behind it? That is the biggest question, which has to be highlighted, but sadly it is not highlighted at all.
So like I've mentioned earlier again, sir, just to mention it again, it's a root cause that we have to focus on, not on the person, or not on, if we are more like focusing on whose child it is, or if it's a celebrity, like we're focusing more on that.
Of course, yes.
Okay,
we have to focus on the supply chain and not the person who is consuming it.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank you so much.